Thanks, Sandy. I appreciate it. Say, what's that glittery stuff all over you? Goodbye. Hello, Sandy. Hello, Percy. Hey, watch out! Play? No thank you. I have more important things to do. I have a flock of sheep to haul from the mainland tonight to McCall's farm. My headlamp is fine, but as long as it's quick, I have a big delivery tonight. Those are desk lamps, Thomas. Sandy, have you found my lamp? Of course it wasn't. It's not even dark. All this playing around is a waste of time. I have to do my delivery. My headlamp will be fine until I get back from the mainland. Oh, dear. My headlamp has burned out. Oh, why didn't I wait for Sandy to switch it out for a new one? One of these tracks leads to McCall's farm. But is it this way or is it that way? Chin up, James. I'm quite sure it's this way. Here we go, sheep. Oh, dear. Wasn't I supposed to go that way? This is... Yes, bad. My thoughts exactly. I can't see a thing. What was that? Yes, I know it's bad. Please stop Huh? Stop! Come back! Hello? Is anybody there? Sheep? Sheep? Where are you? Wait, what's that? You two? How did you find me? Well, I might actually need some help finding some lost, Yes! How did you... You mean that game? Well, that's fun. Hey, I could use an alien bug engine thingy to lead the way to McCall's farm. Wow, we made it! I don't know what to say. Actually, I do. Thank you, Thomas and Nia. Yes, but I wouldn't have gotten the delivery done if you hadn't been playing around. 7, 8, 9, 10... Well, now that's the thing about counting sheep, isn't it? I know just the way to get you back to your sheds. I am from outer space. Take me to your lead car. Look out, Thomas! Just a quick trip around Cannonball Curve and we'll be at the farmer's market as quick as you can say... I'm so sorry, but it couldn't be helped. It's all right. With a little axle grease, I'll move this in no time at all. Gee! Not to worry, I know a shortcut through the meadow. Yes, I'm aware of that, but I've got it. It's okay. I know an even better shortcut. Nothing is gonna stop me. Except a stuck drawbridge. I'm sure Sandy and Carly can fix it. That's Nia! Nia! We're over here! We're stuck. We can't get to the farmer's market. Look, it's... What is that? Well, this is my lucky day. What a fine-smelling car. Thomas, what are you doing?